Let's see here, students. Question number 6. In question number 6, here given angle A and angle B are acute angles. In which manner they both are acute angle? Cos A is equal to cos B. And we have to show here कि angle A equal to angle B. Given condition, cos A is equal to cos B. First of all, we will draw a right angle triangle ABC. In right angle triangle, it is right angle at point C as well as acute at point A and acute at point B. Means here, in the reference to angle A and angle B, we will find out hypotenuse, perpendicular as well as base. अब now given condition is cos A is equal to cos B. We know very well कि cos A is equal to what or cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta or cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. Is that clear? So now we have to guess here कि what is here base and what is here hypotenuse, reference to angle A and reference to angle B. First of all, we will guess this both the things with reference to angle A. With reference to angle A, here you have to see base would be AC. Base would be AC and hypotenuse AB. Hypotenuse AB. Base AC, hypotenuse AB. And with reference to angle B. With reference to angle B. With reference to angle B, base would be BC. Base would be BC and hypotenuse same AB. Is that clear? Because I clear you this properly this concept regarding both the reference angle. Now we got with reference to angle A, base and hypotenuse as well as with reference to angle B, base and hypotenuse. Now what is the given condition? Cos A is equal to cos B. We know very well कि cos A, cos B or cos theta whatever be it is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Okay, base upon hypotenuse. So as per that, first of all we are going to see the cos A. Cos A we are going to see. Then what is its base? AC. What is its base? AC. See there, what is its base? AC upon AB. AB is what? Hypotenuse. Now same we have to see as per the reference of angle B. Cos B. Cos B would be what? Same base upon hypotenuse. So what is base for cos B? For cos B, base is BC. Just I told you, base is BC. In that case, what would be its value? It's here we will write for cos B, BC upon AB. BC upon AB. In both the condition, both the cases, hypotenuse same. Hypotenuse same. Then AC upon AB is equal to BC upon AB. What we can write? We can write it AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. AB will cancel. Whatever be AC is equal to BC. Understand? Now what we want that we got. What we have to show? We have to show angle A is equal to angle B. Angle A is equal to angle B. We got one concept that is AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. If AC is equal to BC, in that case what will happen? In that case on the place of AC we will write angle B and for BC we will write angle A. Means angle B is equal to angle A. Angle B is equal to angle A. Now question mark is this कि sir here written AC is equal to BC, that is okay. But why we are going to write on the place of AC angle B and on the place of BC angle A? Reason is very simple. What is the reason? In a triangles, angles opposite to equal side, angle opposite to equal side are also equal. For the triangle, one property is here. Always remember what is the property? Ki in a triangle, angles opposite to equal side. Now we have to see that equal side what I just told AC and another equal side is BC. AC equal to BC. So angle opposite to equal side, angle opposite to AC, angle opposite to AC, that is angle B, and angle opposite to BC, that is angle A. That's why angle B is equal to angle A. Hence proved. Is that clear? Okay. Now next numerical. Next numerical 7th. As for the 7th numerical, what is given? Cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8. Given is cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8 and we have to evaluate 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. First thing is, and second one cot square theta. Second one is cot square theta. These two things we have to evaluate. We have to find out its value. No problem. What is given? Cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8. Cot theta is opposite of tan theta, right? Tan theta perpendicular upon base. So cot theta would be base upon perpendicular. Understood? Cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. It is given 7 upon 8. It is given 7 upon 8. It is in the form of ratio. Then one positive integer or constant. We'll imagine that would be k. So we can write b upon p. Now we have to one diagram we have to draw. This is as per that means we can write ABC, PQR, XYZ as you wish, not an issue. One right angle triangle is here, PQNR. As per PQR, concept of cot theta, base upon perpendicular. Here we are going to see theta is here. In that case, what would be its base? PQ its base. PQ its base. Okay. And RQ would be its what I just told, base upon perpendicular. Base is 7, then perpendicular would be RQ is the perpendicular. It would be 8. Perpendicular. Right? Now we got for this base, perpendicular also, perpendicular as well as base. Now both the things are here. Now we can find out its a hypotenuse PR with the help of Pythagoras theorem. What we were doing previously, same thing again we have to apply here. Nothing is there. Now we got already PQ is equal to 7k and QR is equal to 8k. Here I have written 7k and 8k. Now with the help of Pythagoras theorem in a right angle triangle PQR, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Understood? Work of what? Square of, in Hindi we can say कर्ण का वर्ग अन्य दो भुजाओं के वर्गों के योग के तुल्य होता है. That is the Pythagoras theorem. Means square of hypotenuse equal to another two sides PQ and QR. That only we have written. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Now we are keeping this all the values. It means PR square is equal to 7k whole square and 8k whole square as per the figure. Now 7k whole square means 49k square, 8k whole square means 64k square. If we are going to add, in that case we will get 113k square. PR square is equal to 113k square. In that case PR is equal to k under root 113. Now we got this PR, k under root 113. Now we have all three sides. Okay, we have base, we have perpendicular as well as we have hypotenuse. All the things with us. Now what is given that we can evaluate. Here is given 1 minus sin square theta upon 1 minus cos square theta. Now we have to keep directly value. अब directly value if we are going to keep, then this first what we have to evaluate, it is given in the form of sin and cos. So first our responsibility is that we have to find out sin and cos. So we know very well sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So here you have to see what is perpendicular, 8k, and what is hypotenuse, k under root 13. So what value we will get for the sin theta, that is 8k upon k under root 113. K, both k will cancel, then what we will get, 8 upon under root 113. That we got the value of sin theta. Same manner cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. What is base here? 7k. And same what is hypotenuse? K under root 113. So 7k upon k under root 113. Both k will cancel. Then what we will get? 7 upon 113. We got the sin theta. We got the cos theta. Now nothing. Only we have to put these values. What is given? 1 minus sin square theta. We can write 1 minus 8 upon 113 whole square upon 1 minus cos square theta. What we have to write the value of cos theta. Just we got the cos theta's value. What we find? The value of cos theta we got 7 upon 113. That we have to keep 7 upon under root 113 whole square. Now 1 minus 8 upon under root 13 whole square, and another is 1 minus 7 upon under root 113 whole square. Okay guys, now one would be same And now means we have to solve as per the square. So square of 8, 64, and square of under root 113 would be simply 113. Same manner 1 and square of 7, 49, as well as square of 113 would be simply 113. Now we have to solve, we have to take its LCM. Then 113, then what we got? 113 minus 64 upon 113, and same to same as the denominator downside, it also 113 minus 49 upon 113. Now what we got after, whenever we are going to subtract 113 minus 64, then we got 49. 49 upon 113 upon, here also we have to subtract 113 minus 49, then 64 upon 113. Now we have to solve, then what we will get? 49 upon 113 multiply, this will be in the opposite. In that case 113 will come upside in a multiplication form. 113 upon 64, 113 and 113 both will cancel, and what value we will get for the 1 minus sin square theta upon 1 minus cos square theta? That value we will get 49 upon 64. 49 upon 64. Is that clear, guys? Okay, so we evaluate this. What we have to evaluate as per the question. Okay, now second thing you have to see, cot square theta. Second thing is cot square theta. Look here, whenever we are going to solve this seventh one, then first condition, again I am going to repeat you. What was that? 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. That we have to find out. You know what you know? A plus b and a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. One identity is here. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. In the manner, what we can do? 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta, we can write 1 minus sin square theta. As well as 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta, what we can write? 1 minus cos square theta. After it, we put the values of sin and cos, and at last we got the result 49 upon 64. Now second we have to find out cot square theta. What to find? Second thing is here, cot square theta. If you want to find out cot square theta, in that case nothing is there. We have to keep its value directly, then we will get the answer. You know that sin upon cos we got are 10. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So cot theta would be base upon perpendicular. Here we have to see what is base, 7k, or what is perpendicular, 8k. Means what would be its value? 7 upon 7k upon 8k. K will cancel. In that case 7 upon 8. 7 upon 8 ka whole square. 7 upon 8 ka whole square means 49 upon 64. 49 upon 64. Is that clear? So what the values we got here, guys? We got the values. First condition what they were asking, कि 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, and 1 plus cos theta, another bracket 1 minus cos theta. Its value we got 49 upon 64, and cot square theta, its value also we got the same, 49 upon 64. Both the value we got the same, 49 upon 64. How we got? Just I told you, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, we can write it 1 minus sin square theta. 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, that we can write 1 minus cos square theta. Now, as per that, trigonometrically ratios, T ratios, how we are finding value of sin and cos, that we found with the help of this particular diagram. After it, we are keeping this all the values and we are finding the answer. We are going to evaluate this both the condition. Whenever we are going to evaluate, then both the answer is the same, 49 upon 64. Another also 49 upon 64. Okay, guys. Now next question. Next question now I will solve you, because what happened means I can solve every question on board, but problem is that this is virtual classes and I have to send you this video. And whenever I am sending you video, then problem is that if I am going to write each and every question one step by step, it will take a lot of time and it will be very difficult to upload the videos. Okay, here I am trying. Then also, as I think near about full 8th unit. Full 8th unit minimum, as I am going to calculate near about 3 to 4 hours required in video form. Then I can complete this particular unit. So that's why sometime I am writing and I am solving. Now next numericals I will solve in front of you. Then definitely you will understand more better. So next I am starting in front of you only. Okay, wait guys. 1 minute only. Let me rest. 1 minute only. I am starting. That's why I am writing on board and then I am explaining because I can save your time. As well as whenever we are going to upload video, then also we can save time. But sometimes numericals are like this. If I am writing and I am explaining you, so many times students are unable to understand. So one numericals I am trying here कि full I have to write and I have to solve. Okay, देखिए 8th numericals here. Look, what is given in 8th numerical? In 8th numerical here given 3 cot A. 3 cot A is equal to 4. Given here 3 cot A is equal to 4. And what we have to find? We have to find here the value of 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Look, what is the condition is given? Condition is given 3 cot A is equal to 4. And we have to find out कि 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A, it is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. It is equal or not. That only we have to prove. Okay, no problem. Easily we can prove this all the things. First of all, one right angle triangle required to understand these things easily. Okay, I am going to draw a right angle triangle. Any name we can give. Suppose same A, B and C. Right? Now look, condition is given 3 cot A is equal to 4. 3 cot A is equal to 4. So what we can write here? We can write here cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. Cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. Now I have written cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. You know that cot A is opposite of tan theta. Yeah, opposite of tan A. Cot's value is perpendicular upon base. So its value would be base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. Okay, cot A here and it is right angle at B. Now we got cot A is equal to 4 upon 3 is equal to base upon perpendicular. If here we are going to see, then look, what is base here? AB. Okay, what is base? And what is perpendicular here? That is BC. Okay. And it is given in the form of ratio. Then we can take any positive integer or as a constant k. Now, if we are going to see here, then what would be the value of AB? AB is equal to 4k. And what would be the value of BC? It is equal to 3k. So what we got at the place of AB? Here we can write 4k and BC we can write here 3k. Okay. Now two things we got. Now we have to use Pythagoras theorem. What we have to use? We have to use here Pythagoras theorem. We can apply here by Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now we have to find out AC. That we have to write same. AC square is equal to, now what is the value of AB square? It means 4k whole square plus what is BC's value? 3k whole square. Okay guys. Now 4k whole square it means 16k square plus 9k square. AC square is equal to 16k square plus 9k square. 16 and 9 if you are going to add, then what we will get? 25k square. Means we got AC square is equal to 25k square. It means therefore AC is equal to 5k. Is that clear? Understand? We can write under root 25k square. Under root means k will come outside and 25 it means 5. In that case what we will get? 5k. What would be the value of AC? Value of AC would be 5k. Now we have to write here 5k. Okay. Now we have all three sides. We have base also, we have perpendicular also and we have hypotenuse also. Now simply we have to keep these values here. Now this value we have to keep them first. What require? Require tan sine and cos. That you have to find out. First of all, I am going to find out here tan A. Tan A. Tan is equal to what? I told you perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base. We are going to find out reference to angle A, acute angle is A. So perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? 3K. Okay. And what is base here? 4K. P upon B, perpendicular upon base. So what we got? K cancel. In that case we got 3 upon 4. What is the value of tan A? 3 upon 4. Now another things require cos and sin. That also we have to find out. Cos A. Cos value what? Base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. Here what is base? 4K. And what is hypotenuse? That is 5K. K cancel. Then what we got? 4 upon 5. After cos, now we have to find out sin A. Alright? What is the value of sin A? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. In that case, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular here? 3K. And what is hypotenuse? 5K. K cancel. In that case, what we got? 3 upon 5. Look guys, we got now tan A, cos A and sin A. Okay. Now we will solve it. So first we will take here. What we will take? LHS. What to take? LHS. LHS. What is the way? This is LHS and this is RHS. First you are taking this LHS. LHS is what? 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Okay. Now 1 minus. We have to keep here the value of 10. Put here value of 10. What we got the value of 10? 3 by 4. We have tried here 3 upon 4 whole square upon 1 plus 3 upon 4 whole square. Now what we will get? 1 minus 3 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja 16. Here also 1 plus 3 3 ja 9 and 4 4 ja 16. Okay, 3 3 ja 9 and 4 4 ja 16. So what we got? By LCM 16 minus 9 upon 16 and here 16 plus 9 upon 16. Okay, 16 minus 9, then what will remain? 7. Yes, 7 upon 16 upon 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 upon 16. So what we got? 7 upon 16 into 16 upon 25. 7 upon 16 into 16 upon 25. 16 will cancel. What we got? 7 upon 25. So what is our value for the LHS? We got the value for LHS is 7 upon 25. Now what to find out? Now we will find out value of RHS. What we have to find out? Value of RHS. Let's see how we will find out the value of RHS. It is simple. Nothing is here. See guys. Now RHS. Okay. RHS. What is RHS? See here. Cos square A minus sin square A. RHS cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. Cos square A minus sin square A. Now we got already the value of cos A. It is 4 upon 5. Then we can write 4 upon 5 whole square minus what is for sin? 3 upon 5 whole square. Okay. Now 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25 minus 3 3 ja 9 and 5 5 ja 25. Okay. 4 cos 4 upon 5 whole square sin 3 upon 5 whole square 16 upon 25 minus 9 upon 25. Now we have to take its LCM. What would be its LCM? 25. 25 divided by 25, 1 multiply in 16, then we will get here 16. Minus 25 divide, then 1 we have to multiply in 9, then 9. Now we have to subtract 16 minus 9. What will remain? 7. 7 upon 25. So what is the value of RHS? 7 upon 25. See here. What is the value of LHS? 7 upon 25. In front of you just I got. And what is the value of RHS? 7 upon 25. In that case, what he is asking, they are same or not? They are same. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So guys, you understood this question number 8 properly? Okay. Understand? Now I am erasing and remaining numericals I will solve just. So please see in your textbook ki what is question number 9. Once read, then I am going to clear you. Okay?